Recently, the Mumbai police has booked actor Aditya Pancholi for rape after a complaint was registered with the Versova police by an actress. The complaint was registered for the offence of rape, wrongful restraint, assault and criminal intimidation under the Indian Penal Code. Now, Kangana's sister Rangoli Chandel has accused Aditya Pancholi of extorting money up to 1 crore rupees from Kangana Ranaut. The actress took to her Twitter and made the claims. In her tweet, Rangoli Chandel alleged that Aditya Pancholi billed Kangana Ranaut 1 crore rupees for grocery expenses when she was homeless for 3 months, and that he had asked for more money later and sent Miss Chandel a message of extortion in 2016. Rangoli tweeted, "Whoever it may concern, complaint against Pancholi had been lodged in 2007 for physical abuse, harassment and extortion. He has taken more than 1 crore rupees from Kangana, saying he has fed her for 3 months when she was homeless, grocery bill for 3 months. She further said, but he wanted more money after that. Last message of extortion I myself received from him was in 2016, which was being submitted to cops, and now FIR has been launched. She had absolutely no time for all this." Rangoli also added, "But everyday cases from him and his wife needs to be fought as they are finding a lot of strength in fact that Kangana is very busy, so I have received this case on her behalf so her work isn't disturbed." Kangana Ranaut and Aditya Pancholi, who has been married to Zarina Wahab since 1986, allegedly dated for some months several years ago when she started out in Bollywood. 2 years ago, the actress claimed on TV show Aapki Adalat that Mr. Pancholi had assaulted and abused her. Stay connected with News for more updates. News Desk.